Hey guys, it's Trey here again, and today I want to talk to you guys about what I think is called choice paralysis or something. Like when you have too many choices and you don't pick anything because there's so many different choices. And when you're beginning computer science, that is exactly what's going to happen. There's so many different fields you can go into, so much that you can learn. Do you want to go into networking, software development? It's just a bunch of different areas. And then once you pick one of those areas, there's a bunch of different, facets within that. So when it comes to pretty much picking something, I'll just take it. I'll just go with software development since that's what I'm in. When you pick that field, don't try to narrow in on one specific technology. Just learn the core concepts of that field. So whatever it is, learn the core concepts. So basically, in software development land, if you are trying to learn how to program, don't focus on trying to learn one specific language like Java or C# or Python or something. Focus on the core concepts, because within those languages, those high level languages, they all have the same core concepts or really similar core concepts. When it comes to programming, I mean, each language, you're going to have loops, you're going to have conditionals, you're going to have it's a bunch of different stuff that just comes together. And so once you understand those core concepts, doesn't matter what it is that you're learning, you can be, it will translate. So like I'll take my experience for instance with Java. I learned Java as my first language, and when I learned it, I was like, oh man, now I gotta learn I don't know what did I learn next. I think I learned Python next or something. So I was like, oh man, it's gonna be hard trying to learn a whole new language. And then once you understand the core concepts, you move over to Python, you're like, wow, the syntax is great, and you just like, it's just better as far as like syntax and stuff goes. But each language has their own pros and cons, whatever. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm just saying, once you learn the core concepts, you'll think, like as a newbie, you come in thinking that it's going to be hard to jump from thing to thing to thing, and it's really not. Once you learn the core concepts, really the only difference is syntax after that. I mean, for the most part, obviously the way that the stuff runs, with Java, JVM, and what is it, C# has, what is it, CLR, Common Language Runtime, I think it's called. But basically it's the same thing with those. Some languages run like C or C++, and them run more close to the hardware, all that good stuff. And that stuff you'll learn as you go along, but the core concepts are the same. So when you're moving from one to another, it's not much that you're gonna have to pick up. So all I'm saying is, when you go in, don't be worried about what you pick. Pick anything. Just learn the core concepts of whatever field it is. And once you learn those core concepts, you'll be able to translate. That's pretty much what I wanted to talk about today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next one.